My name is Alun Ffred Jones and I'm the chair of the Environment and Sustainability Committee at the Assembly, and we're here today at Ogwen Cottage on the banks of Llyn Ogwen to launch our report on sustainable land management in Wales. Of course, here in Snowdonia, where there are many examples of good practice in terms of sustainable land management, and one of the main points that we make in the report, of course, is that we need a clear definition of what we mean by sustainable land management, but also that we need to have enough flexibility within any definition to allow for local circumstances.